How y'all coming? If y'all niggas have been living under a rock and have not been listening to what I've been telling y'all, again, y'all need to follow my Twitch. I'm gonna leave links in the description, all type of shit. This is where I be. YouTube is weird, gang. They be disabling my shit because I be speaking the truth and shit, gang. This where I be. I be on Twitch, blood. If y'all niggas trying to get at me, I be live every day. I be on Twitch. Police surprised woman at her doorstep after she steals $2,000 worth of wigs, and you got this on your head right here. God bless us all.
Please. It wasn't you. Why would you run?
What do we got here, man? What do we got here, man? What we got here?
What? Why would you run?
On November 25th, 2023, in Florida, police were dispatched.
It had to be Florida. Like, Florida got the craziest crimes in the world, bro. It had to be Florida.
To a beauty supply store in reference to a woman who stole $2,000 worth of wigs.
All right, so just walk me through what happened again.
She came in.
About what time was that?
It had to be like about 8.
The fuck is this? This one ugly one right here.
45, 8:50, okay. Early. Because we open at 8:30, even though our signs say 9. Mm-hmm. That's why a lot of people come, because they know that we're open. Everybody else don't open till 9:30 or 10. Gotcha. So when she came in, I spoke. Hey, sweetheart, like I normally do. She nodded. She beeline right to Wigs. I was talking to one of my employees, getting her ready for the start of the day, and I was bringing these over to put up. That's overstock.
Okay.
Then when I got up the stairs here, I was starting to open up those wigs, those clippers, because they're sale clippers. She was coming out the door. She was just headed out.
Okay.
So I heard her beep. I didn't steal at that time because from the leverage there, I can't see down. So I don't know if she got nothing in her hand or either stuff. I didn't know, but I heard her beep. We have security stickers in the neckline. Yep. So and I ran out and I was like, ma'am. And the way she pushed the door open and the lady that was coming in jumped out of the way. So right then, she was on.
Did you see anything in her hand at that point?
No, I didn't. She was by the time I got out to her, she was telling him, let's go.
Where was he parked?
Right here.
Kind of where my police car is?
No, they were right here.
Oh, right in front?
Right in front.
All right.
The camera showed me when he sped out, he did just what they're doing, just like that. And I had gotten behind them.
Okay.
And that's how I was able to, and I started saying the tag in my head.
Oh, good.
You know?
Oh, yeah, she was on there, boy. You stole $2,000 worth of wigs, boy. These ladies not finna let that shit slide, bro. They not letting that shit slide. Hell no.
I didn't have my phone. Last week we got called for a $3 cap.
Yeah.
But they were dumb enough to back out, which could have been deadly.
Yeah,
like the toe tagging thing. And they almost wrecked, spinning out.
Going through the parking lot.
You know what I'm saying? Jesus. But like I said, she knew that's our human. Everybody, that's our synthetic section
straight.
there. She beeline straight. And that's what the owner was saying. That's when she came in.
Did you see any of the product at all? Or was it only after you went back on video?
Right, that's it.
So she had it, was it down in a bag? Is that what that is?
No, that's her hand.
Just she's carrying it? Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
I gotcha.
So that's what I said over here. I couldn't see down in her hand. And I don't know if she stuffed nothing up her shirt, but by the time she got out of here, she was gone. She done ran to the side.
Okay. So you telling me this big ass lady that walked out with $2,000 worth of wigs and you ain't see nothing in her hand?
I caught her opening the door.
Gotcha.
And
have you ever seen her before?
I have.
You have?
But I just, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I've been here 10 years.
Yeah.
You know, I'm Auntie Miss G.
Recognizable face.
You know what I mean? Okay. Everybody comes and knows me.
So you said the male was driving the car?
He was driving.
Did you see his face?
He was a bright-skinned fella. He had goals in his mouth.
Okay. If you saw a picture of him again, would you be able to say that's him? Okay. Are you guys wanting to cooperate with prosecution?
Oh, yeah. Definitely. We looking at about $2,000. It's my damn bonus for Christmas. I'm definitely prosecuted. Yeah.
I can't blame you.
The authorities managed to track down the suspect through the license plate and subsequently located the residence associated with the suspect.
My kid's father and his cousin.
Kid's father? Who's his cousin? Who's his cousin? Is it a male or female?
A female.
Female? What's her name?
Sierra.
Sierra?
Yes.
Okay. Where is she right now?
In there. I just closed the door for the dog.
Okay. Can you have her come out as well? Hey. Come get your dog. Come get.
Well, he would have shot that little nigga. His ass would have bit his ass. He would have shot the fuck out that little dog. On my mama, he would have. You already say, hey, come get this little nigga on, bro.
Hey, come get your dog. Come get your dog.
Coco, get. I'm sorry. Come on, in the house. Coco, I'm sorry. In the house. Come on.
That's a friendly ass pit though, bro. Pits
so quick and
usually don't be
easy.
friendly.
I feel like I look like Mary Queen of Scots or something.
Мои волосы стали гуще на 20.
Right, have a seat right there for me on the ground. Have a seat.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get.
Have a seat.
Okay, I'm have a seat. Coco.
Keep your hands out of your pockets for me.
My hands ain't no pocket.
Okay.
I'm trying to get him. I'm sorry. Coco.
No, it's fine. I know it's a whole nother issue. I know how dogs are. Sometimes they just get protective. They don't mean harm. They just. Okay. Hey, I'm gonna pat you down real quick. Just make sure you don't have anything to turn around for me. Okay. Just watch the house because the mail was inside also. Hey, I'm gonna read you something real quick. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Hold on. Before I tell you this, I'm gonna tell you that we have clear video of everything. Just listen.
It's not me though.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you something.
Okay.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say.
Bro, I'm finna start reacting to these police videos, bro, because they all say the same shit. Like, if you know you done just committed a crime or you knew you just did some shit and next thing you know, police coming to you, obviously have been caught. Why is you trying to act dumb? Like, I can't stand that shit.
Can be used against you in court of law. The right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while being questioned. If you cannot afford a hire, a lawyer will not be appointed to represent you for any questions you wish. Decide any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand these rights? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, but I'm actually like,
Let's get this dog.
actually like, what
I feel
do.
bad because I know he
I'm
gets.
actually like, what I do though, like what I do, because I didn't do anything.
Okay. Where'd you come from in this car a little earlier?
I was in the car earlier.
Listen.
I was in the car earlier.
Would you like me to show you some pictures?
Yeah, but it wasn't me though.
It wasn't you? Who was
No,
it?
it wasn't me. My cousin, she was just here, but she used the car earlier, but she left. But that was it.
Oh.
She
You know, this bitch talking at 1,000 miles per hour again.
a red wig on. Yeah, I don't have. This is my hair. This is what I wear right here.
Okay. Who else? What's her name?
Because it's Jessica, but she came here earlier. She used the car. She went to the hair store, got some. She was.
A fucking 3-year-old, I didn't finna believe shit you said right there. Like, come on, dog. I know I ain't go back through the whole video. You irritated as hell. I know that police mad as hell.
But when she came back here, she got in her car. Her car's up. She got a silver car. She got her car. She left.
Here, let's come over here. We're gonna come out and shit.
I'm actually telling you for that. Yeah, my cousin was here earlier, telling Jessica, but I didn't go to her at all.
She ain't stopped talking since she got outside. If you ain't do nothing, what the fuck is you doing all this talking for?
Oh, wait. It was not me in the hair store at all, sir. It was, I'm not even from here. Like I'm not in the hair store at all, sir. At all. Like video.
It's tough to read. That's 15. We still there.
Yeah, we got video, but it was not me.
You're able to swing by. I think no one else close. You just need to get back over for a second.
It was not me, sir, at all. Like my cousin was here earlier, but her name was Jessica. But that was not. It was not me.
What's your name?
My name is Monique.
Keep your hands in your pockets.
I'm sorry, sir.
Say it again.
Monique.
Monique.
Yes, sir. But
M-O.
N-I-Q-E.
Where do you live?
Okay.
You don't know what happened, but it wasn't you. You don't know what happened, but it wasn't you.
Cheryl, hold on.
She said she can't hear my cousin. She said, why she leaving so fast? She just said that too.
Who was the male who was driving her?
He's gone. It was her boyfriend. He's gone too.
Did they just happen to come grab this car?
Yeah. She used this car here. So she sang out here last night. She used this car right here and she left.
Okay. What's her name?
Her name is Jessica.
Do you know her birthday?
No, I don't know.
Do you know where she stays at?
She stays out here with my cousin. I'm not from here. I don't stay out here.
Oh, so she stays here?
No, she stays down here.
Oh, around here.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of car she drives?
She has a black Mazda.
Why'd you say something about a silver car then?
No, she has a black Mazda. She has a black Mazda. Jessica has a black Mazda. I'm sorry. I'm nervous. I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry. I was getting trouble, sir. But
What is you talking about? What? Bro, stop. Stop.
She has a black Mazda. Got a 2021, I would say.
Is it a car or SUV?
It's a sports. It's like a regular car.
Older or newer?
It's like a new car.
New?
Yes, sir.
So what's this silver car you said they sped off in when?
No, I was nervous earlier when you were talking to me. I'm just gonna be real. I was nervous. I said one thing, but she has a black car, sir. She said she has a black car, like a 2021, 2023 car.
Yeah. But I want to know where the silver car came from, because that's a big mistake to make. I'm just nervous. Like you said, silver car. That's all, sir. But I apologize. Her car is black. I'm sorry. I got my tongue tied up, but I'm just letting you know, like I'm not from here, sir. Like. I just got down here. My cousin was down here. It's tough to ID with without the someone. Yeah, my cousin was down here, whatever. And can I see your tattoos real quick? Yes. Can you see your other side? Nothing on the outside. Yeah, nothing. Just on the inside. Anything on the legs? No. Okay. Is there a male here now? No, it's just me. It's just me. Her kids, her daughter, and her little baby. That's it. Okay, so there's no 20, 30-something-year-old men in the house right now? No, sorry. Everybody, Jessica, her brother, there's a car here. We all sit out here last night, which I'm not from this. She said, that day she got a call. What's the store? They came back. Okay. They came back, they got a car in there. Give me 1 second. Hi. Hello. So, who was here earlier?
I've been here all day.
I'm saying, but who was driving your car earlier?
They shouldn't move since earlier.
Bro, them Florida cribs be looking like, they be looking, like, I ain't gonna lie, like, cause y'all know every state, like, cribs look different. Like, bro, it ain't no states that, like, you ain't gonna go nowhere state and be like, damn, this shit look just the same. Like, but like, bro, like Florida, like look at the crib, like that shit look like I know it's normal to them, but like if I go down there and I gotta walk into a crib like that, like damn, this little shit look dirty as hell. Like on the outside, I don't know how it look on the inside, but on the outside, like the yard, the grass ain't cut, like the grass damn near dying, like it don't look like how it look out here.
Well, it was moving. So we're here investigating a theft from the hair supply store. Clear as day on video. Light skinned male with grill driving.
Oh,
female with a long red wig.
Well, you see my hair.
It was you, right?
Okay.
What I'm saying, but
because I kind of look
like her, but she's mentioning another cousin, Jessica Henley.
Oh yeah, I've been asleep.
Is there any other males here right now?
No.
No one else is here?
No. It's me, and then I have my kids and my niece and me.
How old are your kids?
17, 15, my niece just turned 15, and I have 5-year-old. Okay. We want to see them.
Because we're talking about a significant amount of money. So your cousin Jessica, where does she stay at?
That is not my blood cousin. It's just somebody I know, but I didn't even know. They just actually walk up and down here. They usually stay over here in like a blue-looking van and stuff. But like I said, I've been in her sleep up until y'all, and that's how it goes.
Okay, give me 1 second. Let me get a look at something.
While the officer returned to his vehicle to conduct further investigation on the suspects, the woman made an attempt to escape into the residence.
Made an attempt to do what?
The woman made an attempt to escape into the residence.
Escape? Where was you trying to go to?
We lost the house right now. That was not me. It was not me, sir. Please.
It wasn't you. Why would you run?
Because
what? Why would you run?
I want to get trouble. That's why, sir.
That doesn't make sense.
Can we put her in your car for a second? Yeah. I got a stupid bin I had to put You're gonna work yourself up. Just have a seat. Relax. Relax.
Sir, I'm looking, sir. My kids there, sir. Everything, please, sir. Please, just let me, please, sir. Please, okay, I'm sorry.
Take a second, relax.
We not finna watch you huff and pout over some wigs you stole, my baby. I'm gonna leave the full video in the description. Y'all be safe. Y'all watch the whole video. I hope you got bonded out, baby.